We just arrived here at the Golden Nugget Casino in Lake Charles, Louisiana. We're going to be staying in the villa, room 123. So we'll walk you through our journey to get into our room. And this is the parking lot here to the left. But when you go through, you're going to take this first right. When you take the right, you're going to go through some glass doors. And as you can see, this is a really clean place. The resort, I call it a resort, especially during the summer. If you got any kids, you can just, they got slides and they got the pool and everything. Right now it's here in November, so we're not getting in no pool. We might get in a hot tub, but no pool. Like you said, these hallways, they keep everything clean. You got water here on the outside, you got fruit before you get to your room. So as soon as I get to the room, I'm gonna pass this camera to my wife and I'm gonna have a cold beer and relax while she show you the amenities here in the room. She like doing things like that, so I'm gonna just let her take over and do that. But I'm gonna just enjoy a cold beer while she's showing you all the amenities. And follow us through our journeys because we're gonna be going to Mexico, Jamaica. We're gonna be taking cruises, and just check in on us, turn on your notifications and subscribe to the channel. So we get close to the room. Like I said, it's 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna let my wife take over from here.
This is villa number 123, Golden Nugget, Lake Charles. Let's turn on a little light. Gorgeous. Light fixtures, entryway, large mirror, bathroom, gorgeous decor, large bathtub, shower, toilet, water closet, going back out into the hallway, looking out into the room. There's a closet, plenty of storage. There's a safe in the wall, lots of storage space. Then when you walk into the room, gorgeous view. Wet bar, refrigerator. Paper towel holder, coffee, tea. Beautiful decor once again. Let's look around the room. Beautiful. Okay, now to enjoy the rest of my day.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching.